I think yung pinapaliwanag sa atin ni Kevin kanina, kahit sa kasamaang palad, hindi sila sinuwerte na manalo rin sa bidding ng NAIA, parang hindi naman to zero-sum game.
Totoo.
If San Miguel Corporation does a good job pagdating sa rehabilitation ng NAIA, every one of us benefits. Parang sa Alliance Global, mas marami magiging traffic dahil darating yung mga turista dito. Para sa atin naman, hindi na po tayo maiinitan masyado sa NAIA. Wala na po mahi-heat stroke sa loob. So,
I think it benefits all businesses.
actually, it benefits everybody.
It's not just tourism, but it builds confidence also to investors who come to the Philippines, and it's the first thing that they see is the airport. Luckily, this will, they will start San Miguel will be able to start by September, and we will see results already in the next 6 months, siguro, no?